The TruXedo B-Light is an effective way to get the perfect amount of bed lighting for all of your after-dark cargo management needs. The B-Light is a universal bed lighting system that uses a strip of bright LEDs connected to a fully sealed battery pack that can easily install just about anywhere without any wiring whatsoever. The whole system mounts in the bed using 3M double-sided tape and can be placed just about anywhere you want. The LED strip is hooked into a fully weatherproof battery pack that uses 3 AA batteries to supply the LEDs. The low-powered, long-lasting LEDs will give you a ton of lighting life without the need to constantly change out the kit's batteries. To find out more on this simple and effective lighting solution, click the link at the end of this video or head to stage3motorsports.com. For all of the latest updates on Stage 3, follow our Facebook and Instagram.